This is an important message to diabetics from the doctors at the International Council for Truth in Medicine. A breakthrough in diabetes has been achieved, and yet we have been threatened. We have received takedown orders. We are in danger of losing our medical licenses simply for exposing this information. If you have diabetes, pre-diabetes, or know someone with these conditions, then listen carefully, as the following presentation just might save your life.
Last year, we helped 17,542 type 2 diabetics normalize their blood sugar, fix insulin sensitivity, and end the need for prescription drugs, insulin injections, and blood sugar monitoring. This year, we're on track to help over 30,000 diabetics achieve the impossible. These techniques have already been used successfully by people in over 40 countries and have helped type 2 diabetics eliminate the need for drugs and insulin injections, while helping type 1s greatly reduce their drug and injection dosages. Pharmaceutical companies have been suppressing this information for decades. Drug companies stand to lose billions of dollars in profits if diabetics learn the truth about their disease and begin using these cheap and much more effective treatments to reverse the type 2 diabetes, normalize blood sugar, fix insulin resistance, and avoid all the horrible diabetes complications that are waiting for them way further down the road. This treatment, so easy, so effective, so natural, and so inexpensive, it might as well be free. Backed by over 120 scientific studies from some of the world's top scientific journals, and verified by naturalnews.com, which is the world's #1 health news website with over 12 million monthly readers. Proven by world-renowned doctors and researchers from all across the globe. Now, if you simply watch this presentation until the end and do exactly what it says, 21 days from now, you will feel like a completely new person. Now, I'd like to pass the mic on to my colleague, Dr. Meadow.
Drop it.